Okay, this is a GE control panel for gas dryer. Two problems here, and it all has to do with the start switch. This start switch, the first problem is that it won't rotate back. When you spin it to the right, turn it to the right, it won't rotate back. So the mechanics of the start switch is broken. When you spin it to the right, it's supposed to automatically go back over after you turn the dryer on. So it doesn't do that. And two, now this is the back of the start switch. As you can see, that's broken right there, and that's broken right there. It's a little piece of plastic that's supposed to go right over there and over there. That locks the start switch in place. So when you try to start it, the whole start switch moves, which is not supposed to move. And it won't lock it in place. So it's broken right there. And this what happens, it spins, just spins. It can't hold anything, so that's why it won't work, because it's not locked in. Here's what it should look like. See how you have the little plastic piece right here? That part is broken off on the other one, upper and lower. So that locks the start switch in place where it can't move. And when you turn it to start it, the whole start switch won't move. It's locked in. Okay, now it's locked in. It's not moving. It's mounted, so it's working. Turning the knob now, and it's not moving. That's the way it looks like when it's out. So the whole start switch is gonna move. There, it can't move because it's locked in. So what we did was, these GE models, they have different models. So sometimes the start switch is here and sometimes it's over here. But when they don't, the models that you don't use, it's covered up. It doesn't have a hole in it. So I just got a socket, got it red hot, and made a hole here. And all I'm basically doing is moving the switch from the far left to the middle, and it'll fix the problem.